well, we've seen outbreaks in food factories and in clothing factories. There's some quite significant concerns about some of the employment practices in some of the clothing factories in Leicester.
I was getting £5. And then for me, it was like I'm working for free and taking this big risk.
And was it safe?
Not at all. It was as normal as before the corona. No gloves, no mask, no social distance, nothing at all.
Government absolutely could do more. And I just wonder if this was a different community, whether help would have been provided much sooner so that workers weren't exploited in this way.
We want to take 5% of the complete fashion market sales, like online fashion market sales, because if we can do that, we can really show fast fashion brands like there's money in this, and then we can change the industry. We want to be a platform that will be useless in the future because everything will be sustainable. We also just need to get used to that fashion is not as cheap as £3 for a t-shirt, like someone else is paying the price. And I think the truly hard part about this is that £3 is it's like nothing for most people. So they also don't feel like such hardship when buying something, even though you know maybe somewhere in the back of your head that it's not ethical and that someone else is paying the price, it's so little money that you also don't put that much value on it. And I think the important part of getting more into slow, ethical fashion, sustainable fashion, is that we learn that clothing has to be worth something.